Calling Australia, don't get lost in translation. Understanding Australian phone number formats is essential for successful communication. Australian phone numbers typically consist of 10 digits. The first digit is in 61, which indicates the country code for Australia. The next digits represent the state or territory code and the subscriber number. For international calls to Australia, you'll need to dial the International Dialing Prefix, IDP, followed by the country code, 61, and then the 10-digit phone number. Virtual phone numbers can be a helpful tool for international communication. They allow you to receive calls from Australia to a local phone number in your own country, eliminating the need to worry about time zones or international calling rates. By understanding Australian phone number formats, time zones, and potential language barriers, you can ensure your calls down under are smooth and successful. Visit our website to learn more about Australian phone numbers and virtual phone number solutions. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.